Hi, my name is Sunday. In this video, I'll be talking about 1,200 euros Renzi's bonus for some people that will apply for settled rental. So this one are Renzi's bonus when some people don't already start to collect in their booster paga ever since. For those group of people when not collect that Renzi's bonus, which is tratamento integrativo, they not collect ever since 100 euro, sometimes 80 euros every month that they had on the joint booster paga. Some group of people they collect their own since January in 2022. The other group of people when not collect them, they'll be looking into this video how you're also going to benefit from it only if you apply for settled rental. Settled rental, the application will start from 30th of April. Now, settled rental not be bonus as some people they think can they be. Settled rental na tax return or tax declaration. And also, settled rental not be maybe anytime we take one, you must pay government back. Government will collect money from you. No, not be so. Settled rental na tax declaration. Anybody that is working here in Italy, you are into self-employment, maybe autonomous, you are receiving any ready-to, the person got to declare from January to December. Once you're ready to come out or your codes come out, then you need to do settled rental. You understand, which is tax return, tax declaration. So now the government will now know whether you have been paying your tax very well or whether they'll be collecting high tax from you, so that they can either return it back to you, reimburse you, or you have to reimburse them, or nobody will pay each other. So that is why you must do settled rental. So this one is good news to some people that in this year, when you do settled rental, many people are going to receive from 1,200 euros because Renzi's bonus, majority of people did not collect it in 2022. For those group of people that did not collect tratamento integrativo in 2022, you might still have chance or right to read if you apply for settled rental. Now let's get started. So it is called tratamento integrativo, which is supplementary treatment, popularly known as Renzi's bonus. They say the former Renzi's bonus is automatically received in a paycheck and there is no need to submit any application. This Renzi's bonus for those people that have rights to it every month in their booster paga or in their pay slip, you don't need to make application for it to be collecting it inside your booster paga. There's some kind of amount you need to be receiving before you can have right to it. They say the bonus, that is Renzi's bonus, is received in payroll, which is booster paga, by employees with incomes between 8,174 euros and 15,000 euros. Now, the first group of people, these are the only group of people when they feel the collector ever since inside their booster paga. Those people, when they receive from 8,174 euro up to 15,000 euros, that is their annual income at the end of the year. Now that figure, now their months one risk, their money not cross 15,000, it might be 13,000, 14,000, 12,000, 10,000. Now all those group of people now collect that Renzi's bonus, either 80 euro or 100 euros last year in 2022. Anybody when their annual income not reach 8,174 euros, you know, go physically collect maybe your annual income, your code, the amount will come out inside now 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, you know, go fit collect. And that is the reason they were not paying you that Renzi's bonus throughout last year. They said the second group of people, those with incomes between 15 to 28,000 euros, on the other hand, are entitled to Renzi's bonus only if the sum of deductions for expenses incurred up to 31st December 2022 is higher than the gross tax. Now, for the other group of people, when not collect them throughout last year in 2022, their annual income, they are ready to, or they are cooled, according to them, maybe their code high passed from 15,000 to 28,000. So their code was from 15,000 to 28,000. This group of people, although they did not collect it in their booster paga, but they said they still have rights to collect some if they do settled rental. That is it. they don't give it to you, or your cap will not pay you inside your booster paga. So if you know say your annual income, you're cool, you're ready to, it dey between 15,000 and 28,000. You got to do settled renter for you to benefit this 1,200 euros. Some people don't already collect them throughout last year. I said some people collected it throughout last year because their annual income not reach 15,000. That's why they feel collect them. You, when your annual income, you're ready to your code cross 15,000 to 28,000. So they don't give you for inside your booster paga. So now if you declare settled renter based on some kind of things they said, which include among other things, mortgage, maybe you buy house, you pay money back to bank, you have to declare it as well. They can't look at your expenses, the expenses you incur, health card, medicines when you buy, hospitals when you go, any bills when you pay, and all that housework as well, all that things when you do, not be light bill, not be gas bill. You understand? So anything, so all these things, carry them, go carve if you want to apply for settled renter. So after they don't do the deduction, they don't do the minus and the plus and all that things, then if you now have rights to this 1,200, they will have to pay it to you back. That is what the government has said. They said there is only one way to recover the lost Renzi's bonus. For those ones who not get time, they call it the lost Renzi's bonus. Some people collected it from January to December. They were paying them steady, 80 euro, 90 euro, 100 euro every month. It was joining their booster paga. For you, when lost your own, the lost Renzi's bonus, you not fit collect them throughout last year. So you have rights to apply for settled renter. What do you need to do? File a 2023 tax return, meaning do settled renter. If you do settled renter, that is the only way to get that money back. If you not do settled renter in this year 2023, the money of 2022 when you supposed get the 1,002, it will waste. So that is it. That is one of the reasons, or some of the reasons that we also need to do settled renter, which is tax return. The model of settled renter will be made available by the revenue agency as early as the end of April in a prepaid version. So according to what they said, I also announced it in my last video that it is going to start from April. So that is what they said. So it's also going to start from April. So you need to do settled renter to get that 1,200 euros back. They said, therefore, if the employer has not paid in whole or in parts, whoever provides tax assistance recognizes the amount due in the return. So you got to go to CAF. Therefore, if your employer, your boss, your couple, he not pay and give you because throughout last year maybe you not receive one, or you receive very little for amounts or small amounts, then when you declare settled renter, after they don't do the plus and minus, then they will have to return it to you. And if they won't pay you, it will come from August payment. That is what they have said. So this is one of the reasons you got to do settled renter. For majority of people, they are going to get money in their settled renter. And as well, there are some people that will also got to pay back to government. That one a must, but not be everybody, because of maybe their couple not they pay their tax well or one thing or the other. Like I said, it's always good to declare your tax, declare or do tax returns so that you will know whether your couple they pay you well or not. So this is it. 1,200 euros on the way for some people, if only they go apply for settled renter. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.
Man, my people, una good evening, una good afternoon. Where are they now? I not check time. I not care to check time because first way carry happiness for mind. Now you go drink beer where there is zero alcohol, it go still high. Because the who not they happy where they think too much. Even if you drink 100% alcohol, it not they high because blood, you don't hear word. Waiting I carry come now be say it don't happen, it don't happen. That particular thing we una dey hear for for YouTube, where our brother Sonero TV they drop every day. Now they hear them. Maybe for some of us we feel not believe say na for real. But me myself, when I first hear that, I not really too sure because so many things it don't they happen for the countryside. We know nobody they believe anybody. So my woman can't tell me say try am. Now she believe no, but say people they testify on a very good day. It will happen to you, but just try them. So me too, I try them, but today now I dey here, they testify my own, it don't happen. Very soon, you yourself, you go to see them, say it dey happen, and who do this very thing? wey me dey explain give you so na Triple P Institute. They don carry me comot for Bascole enter motorway. My people, I want to testify. Una, thank you.